Hello, and Gung Hei Fat Choi. Happy Chinese New Year. Some people think I'm Chinese. I don't know. Partly, but not completely. Anyway, so just going to show you early, since I'm going to go out and get some things ready for some New Year celebrations. And I wanted to just pop on here instead of my 4 o'clock slot a little bit early. So if nobody sees me now, okay, well, we'll wait until you can see me on the replay and leave comments there. But anyway, I thought I'd just pop on now because I'm about to just show you my daily skincare routine. And I had to come and get myself a new bottle of the toner because that's what I ran out of. And I always keep a stock in my Herbalife stock cupboard for customers, but mainly for myself and family. Okay, so just to let you know, the skincare can be used by men and women, and it's really, really simple to do, and it's numbered so that, you know, anyone who doesn't understand the order of things, you know what I mean, they can just follow the numbers. So I've already cleansed my face with the number 1 cleanser, and now I'm about to put on number 2, the toner. And it's really, really great and simple because all you need to do is just spray it on your face very, very quickly and simply, because I say quickly because I don't like it to dry out before I put on number 3, which is my line minimizing serum. So it might seem like I'm rushing through this, but I just wanted to get it so that it doesn't dry out on my face yet. You know, often with toners you have to dab it onto cotton wool or a pad, and you're putting it on your face, and actually that's not really that hygienic because who knows what's in the cotton pad, and also you're losing quite a lot of your toner into the cotton bud, or the cotton pad rather, and then you're throwing it away. With this, not a drop gets lost because all you do is you spray it like a spritzer all over the parts that you want to cover. Right, that was number 2. Swiftly moving on to number 3, the line minimizing serum, which I just love. And I squirt some on to the back of my hand like that, and then very evenly and gently I put it all over all those places that I've just sprayed. Okay. And it goes in so quickly and easily all over. No stinging, no burning, no funny residue, just all goes in. Really, really easy, just like that. Then, that was number 3. Then I go on to step number 4, which is the line minimizing, no it isn't, it's the hydrating eye gel. Sorry, I haven't got my glasses on, so I have to just do it by memory. So it's the hydrating eye gel, which is number 4. It's a smaller container than the others. You can see that's the number 5 protective moisturizer, which I'll be putting on next. So the eye gel, I usually apply it with my ring finger because that's the gentlest finger, the one that puts the least amount of pressure, and I put it around my eyes, on the lids, around the sides. Oh, it feels lovely and refreshing. That's enough for that. And then I go for the number 5 line minimizing serum with a sun protect. Oh, what am I talking about? Sorry. That was number 3, line minimizing serum. Good job, I'm reading. Number 5, protective moisturizer with SPF 30. Okay. And again, I just apply this amount to the back of my hand, and then my fingers dab it on liberally, and it just absorbs into the skin so quickly and easily. And that, my friends, is what I do to keep my skin fresh and lovely. And for those of you who don't know, I might have the odd smile line here and there, of course, because I smile a lot. But next month, I will be 70. And I've used this skincare regime for the last 33 years. I've always trusted Herbalife Nutrition for putting the right nutrition inside of me. My skin cleared up, and now I use well, I've always used the Herbalife skin products on the outside to support my skin, but you know, they've improved it over the years. It's got better and better, and I just use whatever Herbalife Nutrition puts out for us. That's the one that I'm going to use. So now the next part is this is literally pretty much all I do ever for my skin routine. I use a blusher, just a blusher. I'll use a smaller brush actually, and I put a little bit here, a bit of colour there, put the colour all over the middle. Not much else. That's my blusher done, and you can see I've always been, I started out as a lady of the 60s, a teenager of the 60s, and so I don't go in for a lot of extra fuss. I've never been keen on foundations, or I did use concealer once upon a time when I had spots. But since using Herbalife Nutrition, I've become far less. I don't get spots, actually. So I just pop on a bit of blusher and mascara every day. And I find that that's actually all I need. This side dries off a bit, give it a second go, and go back to that one, and yeah, maybe if I'm, you know, getting dressed for the evening or something, I might have a little bit more, but I found that to me less is more. That's how I like it. Everybody has a different skincare routine, I'm sure, but I can highly recommend that if you use the Herbalife skin products every single day, not only does it nourish your face with vitamins A, C and E, but it's all paraben-free, cruelty-free, really, really great for you and great for the planet and great for everything else. So it supports your inner nutrition, because your inner nutrition provides you with the skin that you show to the world, and then this outer nutrition skin program completes the job. And I'm sure you're also very excited to know that we've recently, here in the UK, launched the collagen skin booster, which is actually, as I speak, out of stock. But I have 3 tubs of it all, you know, stocked up in my cupboard, so I'm never going to run out of that. So we've just really started using this in our routine. I say we, because my husband Tim and I both use all the skincare products, including the collagen skin booster. Because if you have skin, you want to make sure it looks good and plump and fresh, you know. So in Herbalife Nutrition, we don't believe in getting wrinkly, crinkly like a prune. We just stay as young and as fit as we possibly can, whatever our age. So imagine, whatever age you are right now, if you'd like to look a little bit like me in terms of health and fitness when you're 70, well, I can guarantee that if you get on these Herbalife Nutrition products every day, not just the skincare, but more importantly, the inner nutrition products, you will stand a very good chance of having a great, healthy and active life. So what can any of us do but do our best and Herbalife really is, in my opinion, simply the best. So I've been around, I've watched all sorts of other things come and go, and Herbalife has not only survived, but Herbalife has got bigger and better and more established and more loved by everybody. And I personally have run the test of time on Herbalife. So anyone saying, oh, well, let's wait and see how you get on. Well, this is how you get on. So if I'm anything of an example to you, if you can take inspiration from it, I'm very happy to be so. Anyway, so have a wonderful day. It's been lovely chatting with you, and you can actually see, even though I've been talking most of the time, my skincare routine probably takes me less than 2 minutes. Yeah, so the actual talking part took a little bit longer, but to apply my toner, my number 3 line minimizing serum, my number 4 eye gel, and number 5 moisturizing day cream, that took me less than 2 minutes. And then at night, what I do is the same thing. I cleanse this bit of makeup off. I then tone, use the serum, and then instead of the eye gel and the day cream, I use the eye cream and the night cream. Okay? So there's a different number 4 and number 5 for nighttime. And just to make sure that people like me who need glasses, you can see here, there's a little sun there under the number 4. Well, the night cream has a little moon on it. And similarly with the day moisturizer, we've got a little sun there, and it's a moon on the night cream. So pretty foolproof if you ask me. So get your family on it, because it can do them all nothing but good. By the way, one more thing before I go. The cleanser, which I didn't show you today, is like a sort of a bit of a gel really, and you put it onto your fingertips with a little bit of water, or wet your face and apply it. You don't put too much. Definitely do not squeeze out as much as you might in the way of toothpaste. Just put a tiny little bit and it goes a long way. You start with less and then you can always add if you need a bit more. But I think you will find that the smallest amount of the cleanser is all you need. And you can use it for taking off your makeup, rinsing it off when you're done. And then, and men can also use it for wet shaving. So it's brilliant. It really, really serves the whole family, male or female. So I can highly recommend the cleanser as well as these other 4 products that I've just talked about here. So enjoy. If you have any questions, get in touch with your coach, or put the questions in the group here, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So in the meantime, just enjoy feeling healthy and well, and have a great, happy Chinese New Year. Have a great, happy new face, skin, and body. Love yourself. Give yourself some great nutrition. And this is the month of love. This is the Valentine's month. So, yeah, treat yourself, love yourself. Don't quit on yourself. Keep on going, because the results are truly worth it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great weekend. Happy Valentine's Day as well as Happy New Year. Happy Valentine's Day in a couple of days. So I hope you have a lovely time. Enjoy yourself. That's what it's all about. Bye for now.